Welcome, today I am with XIAOMI Mi 11 Ultra and I'll show you how can you remove tempered glass from the display on this phone. That's quite simple. You have to start from one of the corners. For example, I'm going to start from the right upper corner, and you are not going to bring any additional accessories. You can use your bare hands. I'm gonna use the fingernails. So you have to put your fingernail underneath the glass, just like that. So you have to lift that glass, put here the second finger, and take a look how easy it goes. There it is, the whole process of uninstall glass, removing glass, however you call it, it's finished. That's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment and subscribe.